Welcome guys to another episode on the Extra Mile. My name is Alex and welcome to another baseline episode. Initially I wanted to record the acceleration test today, but as you can see it's very cold and very wet outside, so I hope that I can record that tomorrow. But we will weigh the car instead. I think that should be pretty interesting. And here we go. The weight including a full gas tank is 1,820 kilos, which is actually not too bad. I thought it might be even more, but now we have our starting number. Alright, not too bad. Not as heavy as I thought actually. I thought it might be a little bit worse. I think that's a pretty good result. So to end this episode, to make it a little bit more interesting, I will leave you guys with a good burnout. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.